I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select Airtable. Give here personal access token. So please visit personal access token. Create a token. Give here the token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Base. Select Table. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.